like and subscribe. What is something that really s you off? Like hella grinds your gears. When I am the designated driver and my passengers offer other people lifts home. Edit. I kind of drunk, and seeing these likes is amazing. Thanks. Just stop at every gas station, act like you're filling up, and ask them to pitch in for gas money. Drunks will give you money. People that walk slowly in the middle of the walkway. People who are always intense and extremely opinionated, but absolutely goes ape if they have to interact with someone exactly like them. I don't mind when people are wrong, but when they can't own up to it I get ed off. When you are woken up by a mosquito buzzing near your ear. How I'm sleepy during the day up until I have to go to bed. Then cycle repeats and I end up sleep deprived. When someone asks me to do something I was already about to do. It is an immature response, but it always makes me want to refuse to do it. People who play music or videos on public transit without headphones. When something is rattling around in the car. My mother-in-law repeats what she's saying at least 5 times until someone acknowledges what she has said. We aren't ignoring her, but she says the most random nonsense, just to get a rise out of someone. I could say the sky is blue, and she will rant and repeat that it isn't until someone agrees or acknowledges it. When people you trusted just straight up lie to your face, when you already know the truth behind it. People who are rude to retail and service workers. They are getting paid like to take all day long. When somebody tries to tell me something I already know and acts like him dumb. Totally understandable. BTW. If you're on mobile and want to add a comment, just look at the bottom of your screen. Touch the words add a comment. From there, just type your post, making sure you're following the rules, and then at post on the upper right portion of your screen. If those instructions are too difficult to understand, let me know, and I'll be happy to explain further. Waking up in the morning. High school dropouts who think they are smarter than doctors and scientists, because they fell down a YouTube rabbit hole. When someone walks into my room, when the door was closed, and they leaving the door open. People who love to tell stories, but are really bad storytellers. Lol, my GF is always like, so I stirred on vertical bar no I think it was Monday, or Sunday, anyway so I went to go drop my mom at the station it was Monday, and she was telling me about her cousin or something who went to this really cool exhibit. No it was her aunt and she went to a show up Boruto vertical bar. I am like asterisk BABE asterisk just what is the story? Someone not saying thank you for something that benefited them. I grew up in a household where appreciation was super important. We offered thanks for every small or large gift, and made sure that folks knew we were grateful for their efforts. I remember digitally scanning a friend's entire sketchbook, compiling it into a PDF, and sending it to them, and all I got was cool. Never saw that friendship the same way since. Was at the beach last weekend, and saw a hair bow lying on the boardwalk. A little girl, 6 years old, was walking ahead. I asked her if it was hers. She said, "Oh, no, that's not mine." Thank you for checking. I had immediate respect for that kid and their parents. People who play emotional games to feign intelligence. Them. Celebrities writing books about having babies and bringing them up. Littering. I've never wanted to punch someone in the face more than the anonymous people who toss bags of trash onto the side of the freeway. I've never punched someone truly, but I wouldn't stop until I felt brain. When people don't pick up their dog's poop. People who shove their views in your face and get mad if you don't agree. YTF care that much? People who use speakerphone in public full volume holding the phone against their head. Similarly, people that do the same with Bluetooth speakers. Bad drivers. Bad drivers need some clarity. Stupid mistakes from a 16-year-old don't bother me, but making 30 people miss a stoplight because you were sending a text and did not see it turn grey no vertical bar. I really hate people who take advantage of others. Might seem petty, but I cannot stand seeing people ask the most easy Google searchable questions on Facebook. Does anyone know what time Walmart closes? You could find that out in 5 seconds of some search. Does anyone have any thoughts on such and such? Is it worth it? Go look it up and literally read the reviews. That is so annoying. I saw someone the other day ask a stupid question, and someone literally linked Google.com in the comments, and I was yes. Lol. Also, dudes who act really obnoxious in their squatted trucks. I will not say it. S me off, but they are really annoying. Anima abusers. Them. 11th circle of hell. Public restroom stall doors that open inward. I pretty much have to disassociate to even use them, and then you are going to make me back up against the and pube covered bowl just to get out of there? When people forget the rules at a 4-way stop. When you wake up at like 2 AM and can't fall back asleep, so you stay up the rest of the night. Just rude people. It's unnecessary. Okay, I totally understand the concept of money and all, and yes, people need to make earnings somehow, but why the do people have to pay thousands upon thousands of dollars to have a half-assed shot at beating cancer? Did I ask to get cancer? Most medical problems too, actually. When people are so committed to believing that they are correct, that they'll lash out at everything and anyone in a manner that is unkind, often with material consequence. I suppose what comes to mind as of late is American politics and the pandemic, though this can occur on any scale. There is something very liberating about understanding that you are not right all of the time, and that you can stand corrected. When you respectfully deny PR's requests to do something you don't wanna do, like go out, then they start pushing like Monjusco me and start asking why you cannot come, what else you have to do. Like that I snort your I'm business that disrespectful as hell. I just don't wanna hang out with you, take the god. Hint. People who drive like they own the road. I had to get a dashcam cause people be driving like they're shirring their pants. Always on my way to work. You'd think they would leave earlier. It's always the same cars too. When people mistreat their pets. Fish are not decorations and small mammals are not your kids' playthings. Grown adults whining. IDK what it is, but my mom is an adult whiner, and it makes me want to pluck my eyeballs out. Be an adult. Deal with the problem. Don't whine about it in public. People with large egos. Stop thinking you're better than someone else. We're all humans. People who don't understand how to split a bill. There are invariably people who say my meal was $15, so I'll throw in $15. Mother. Oh, you got a drink, there's tax, and a tip. Then when you confront them with this, they add a whopping $1. That isn't gonna cut it. You've been visited by the ghost of a very important man. Pay your respects by liking and subscribing, and he'll grant you 3 weeks of good luck.